So we finally got our Apricoat gear. My wife and I are super excited to try it out. We both got quick dry shirts and pants, and here they are. So this is my wife's set of shirt and pants, and these are mine. Looking forward to try out the gear.
5'6", and generally medium seems to work for me in international companies. So I seem to be a medium-sized person. I have a medium shirt. And my medium travel pants. And I'm going to go try them on and go to the airport and see how that goes.
We're literally going to travel with them. So when it comes to shirts, I'm typically a large. So this is quick dry large. Looks pretty right for me. And then I got the adventure pants, but I think I ordered it before they had American sizes, so I think I ordered the wrong size. These might be a little large for me. I might still try them though, just because they're so functional and there's so many pockets and we're about to fly, and I really want all these pockets, so I may give it a shot. I'm not sure, but I look forward to trying it. And we've done it. We've tried out our Apricoat gear. We actually traveled. We've been on flights with it. We've done day-to-day errands with it, and so far very positive reviews, and we like it. It's very functional.
It's lightweight, stretchy, cat resistant. I can roll. I like the long sleeve. I can roll up the sleeves or roll them down. Functional pocket for like a Metro card if we've been on the subway. We picked up my mom and carried her suitcases across town in 34th Street. So very easy, very stretchy, gazillion pockets, and warm enough. The pants are warm enough and water resistant, but not overheating. And the shirt is pretty lightweight, so I really appreciate it, enjoy it.
Yeah, I'd say the same thing. Actually, I've used this for running too, and it's like perfect workout running shirt. The pants I do love. I do love functional pockets. These are a little too big for me, but I think once I get them in my size, I'll be way more comfortable with them. But in terms of just water resistance, stretch, everything has been great. So really like the product.
Yeah, good job, Apricoat.